Greetings, November 23rd, 2014. As the original drawing is framed, packed, and cartoned, I'm just going to do this short video from a color glossy photo. Also giving me the opportunity to show the photograph that inspired the drawing. You notice this is a child here, an indeterminate age. I could guess maybe 10 to 12. She actually looks older than she probably is because she's starving. What really struck me in the photograph, aside from her, was this obviously child's done drawing of a child on these three boards, which are probably boarding up a window or something similar on a Warsaw ghetto building. Hence the title, Child/Woman Aged Prematurely, Way Beyond Her Years, as she approaches death. There you have it.